Hello students, this is Pratibha Singh, your English teacher from Shivrit Singh Children Academy. Students, in this video we will learn about adverb. Have a look the definition of adverb. Adverb. An adverb is a word which modifies a verb, an adjective, and other adverbs. For example, Rama walks slowly. Have a look the definition again. An adverb is a word which modifies or qualifies a verb, an adjective and other adverb. For example, Rama walks slowly. Firstly, find out verb in this sentence. Walks is verb. And which word modifying or saying something more about verb? Slowly. How does Ram walk? Slowly. Now the second example is these mangoes are very sweet. These mangoes are very sweet. Is there sweet is an adjective in this sentence because sweet modifies the noun mango, which is the example of noun. And which word is modified the adjective? Very. Very. This is adverb here. Adverb. Now next example. Example number 3. She moved quite slowly. She moves quite slowly. Have a look. She moves quite slowly. Here slowly is your adverb. And a word which modifies other adverb is called also adverb. This is your adverb. This one is also your adverb. Now we will read about the kinds of adverb. Kinds of adverb. There are 9 kinds of adverb. First kind, adverb of time. Adverb of time. Second one is adverb of place. Adverb of number of frequency. Number 4 is adverb of adverb of quantity, and range. Number 5th, adverb of manner, adverb of manner. Number 6, adverb of reason, Number 7, adverb of affirmation, or negation, Number 8, interrogative adverb, and last one is relative adverb, Have a look again. There are total 9 kinds of adverb: adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of number, adverb of quantity, extent or range, adverb of manner, adverb of reason, adverb of affirmation or negation, interrogative adverb, and last one is relative adverb. Now we will read all these kinds in detail. Have a look, first one. The first kind, adverb of time. Adverb of time indicates the time of action and answer the question when the action has taken place. Have a look. Adverb of time indicates the time of action and answer the question when. Answer the question when. Tomorrow, today, yesterday, last week, early, late, just, daily, already, soon, immediately, are the examples. Tomorrow, today, yesterday, last week, early, late, just, daily, already, soon, immediately, recently, last week, last night are the adverb of time, are the examples of adverb time. Have a look in a sentence. For example, he comes late. He comes late. Now have a look the definition again. Adverb of time indicates the time of action and answer the question when. Answer the question when. So question is, when does he come? So answer is, he comes late. He comes late. Here late is example of adverb of time. Second example, number 2 is Harish saw me yesterday. Saw me yesterday. So question is, when did Harish see me? So answer is Harish saw me yesterday. Here yesterday is adverb of time. Now second kind of adverb of place. Now we will read second point, adverb of place. Adverb of place indicates where the action has taken place and answer the question where. Have a look. Second, adverb of place. Adverb of place. Adverb of place indicates where the action has taken place and answer the question where. Have a look again. Adverb of place indicates where. It tells about the place where the action has taken place and answer the question where. Outside, inside, up, down, left side, right side, right side, nowhere, somewhere, everywhere, behind, etc. are adverb of place. For example, his house is near my house. His house is near my house. So question is, where is his house? So answer is, his house is near my house. Here near is adverb of place. Near is indicate adverb of place. Now second one is, Hina stood behind her mother. Hina stood behind her mother. So question is, where did Hina stand? So answer is, Hina stood behind her mother. Behind is adverb of place. Now we will read third point. Number 3 is adverb of number or frequency. Adverb of number or frequency indicates how often action or how many time action has taken place and answer the question how often always, never, once, seldom, again, rarely, hardly, firstly, secondly, etc. are the examples of adverb of number or frequency. For example, now we will frame a sentence for giving example. He always comes late. Now the question is, how often he come? So answer is, he always comes late. कितनी बार वो लेट आता है? तो हमेशा लेट आता है. नेक्स्ट, she seldom dances. How often she dances? seldom, कभी कभी. Have a look again. Adverb of number of frequency. Adverb of number of frequency indicate how often, means कितनी बार action has taken place, and adverb of number of frequency answer the question how often. It answer the question how often. ये आंसर देता है इस क्वेश्चन का कि कितनी बार कोई भी काम कितनी बार किया गया. Always, never, once, twice, seldom, again, rarely, hardly, firstly, secondly, etc. are the example of adverb of number and frequency. Have a look the example again. He always comes late. So question is how often he come late. Answer is always. Next is how often she dance. So answer is she seldom dance. वे डांस कभी कभी करती है. कितनी बार करती है? कभी कभी करती है. Now next point is adverb of quantity, extent and range. Have a look. Adverb of quantity, degree, extent and range. Adverb of quantity, degree, extent and range. It indicates the quantity of adverb or adjective. Quantity, range, limitation of adverb and adjective. Have a look. It indicates the quantity, range, limitation of adverb or adjective. This kind of adverb of quantity, degree, extent or range is not used with verb. It not define or modifies the verb. It indicates or it decide the quantity, range or limitation of only adverb of or adjective. To, very, rather, quite, fairly, entirely, so, well, almost, nearly, wholly, etc. These words decide the quantity, degree, extent and range of adverb and adjective only. It is not for verb. For example, is very beautiful girl. She is very beautiful girl. She is very beautiful. Now we will repeat the definition again. It indicate means adverb of quantity, degree, extent and range. This adverb indicate the quantity, range, limitation of adverb or adjective. So have a look the sentence. She is very beautiful girl. She is very beautiful girl. Find out adjective in this sentence. What is adjective? Adjective is a word which modify the noun. Which is noun in the sentence? Girl. And which word modify the noun? Beautiful. And now which word modify or decide the limitation, quantity, range of the adjective? This one, very. That's why this is the example of adjective of quantity, degree or extent. Now second, he is too careless. He is too careless. He is too careless. Now in this sentence, careless is an adjective and the word which modify or decide the limitation of adjective, adverb of quantity. Have a look. Number 5, adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. It indicates how the action has taken place and answer the question. Answer the question how, in what or in what manner, beautifully, clearly, neatly, bravely, carefully, soundly, wisely, lovingly, etc. are the example of adverb of manner. Generally, ly is used in adverb of manner and it answers the question in what manner the action has done. For example, she dressed beautifully. She dressed beautifully. Now have a look the definition. It indicates means adverb of manner indicates how the action has taken place and answer the question how or in what manner. So for this example, the question is how did she dress? So answer is she dressed beautifully. So here beautifully is the example of adverb of manner. Now have a look, example number 2. The soldiers fought bravely. The soldiers fought bravely. So the question is how did the soldiers fight? So answer is the soldiers fought bravely. Here bravely is adverb of manner. Generally we will remind it. Generally we will use ly in the last of adverb of manner for the answer of the question how and or in what manner. But well, so, fast and hard are also the examples of adverb of manner. For example, number 3, he worked hard. So the question is how does he work? So he worked hard. Here it is also example of adverb of manner. Now